Hi, I'm Brian Cannon, here at the archaeological site of Antiochia ad Kragum on the coast of Turkey. Since 1979, I've worked in Jordan, Israel, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and now for 6 seasons here at this site. Here, we've uncovered a temple, a colonnaded street, several churches, shops, and a large and small bathhouse containing beautiful mosaics. As you can imagine, there's lots of pottery, coins, some glass, and several ancient burials. It's these fabulous mosaic works that have led me to create my own project, bringing you not only some of the most famous mosaics in museums, but also images of ones now covered and those newly found. But this isn't just to amaze you visually. I want to tell a story of what the mosaics are saying. With your support, we'll travel along the southwest coast of Turkey to museums large and small, in addition to the hard-to-reach archaeological sites, and also contact past directors for their imagery. My own artistic reconstructions of badly damaged mosaics will be included, and sites I have previously visited in Jordan and Israel will be added. I am looking to raise at least $10,000 for the 1-month project that only covers our necessary expenses. Many of us in the field feel this is critical to the understanding of this art form. Thank you for your support, and I really appreciate you supporting my passion, and I know you and I will both benefit from seeing these amazing images.